Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see how to use awk command. This command is also like cut command that we see in our previous video, but it has some more features than cut command. This is the content that we are using in the awk command and this is stored in the file.txt. Now let's type awk in single quotes, open the braces and type print $3 and close the braces and close the single quotes, and the file name is file.txt. Here you can see it printed 60, 58, 51 because this is taken as first field and this is second field, this is third one, this is fourth and this is fifth. Here we are asking to print the third field, so it printed the third one. And in awk command we can also use the regex to get exact details that we need, like awk in single quotes slash 0.5 slash. Here we are asking to print the line which contain 0.5 in braces print $1. Here I am asking to print the first name, so it means this first name to print. Close the single quotes and the file name is file.txt. Here it print Celtics and Pacers because only these two names has 0.5 in their value, the others doesn't have. And we can also use some other things like range to print values, awk in slash caret symbol in square bracket 0 to 9 and slash and in braces print $1 and the file name is file.txt. Here it printed 76 errors because only this one has numbers in the beginning. Others are started with alphabets. If you don't know about these regex, don't worry, we will see about this in our later videos. And again awk in single quotes $2 a tilde symbol slash ia and slash in braces print $1 file.txt. Here I am asking to check if any of the values in second field has a string ia, then print the first field of the line. Here it printed 76s and pacers because only these two has the string ia. And we can also opposite this using exclamatory mark. Here it displayed the remaining three. Or we can also use some greater than or lesser than symbols to get the output, like awk single quotes. Here only the third and fourth field has real numbers. Let's take third field $3 and greater than symbol 50. It will check if there is any values that are greater than 50 in third field, then print its first field file.txt. Here it prints bugs, raptors and 76s because bug is 60, raptor is 58 and 76 is the others are lesser than 50. And instead of using greater than, we can also use equals, like 58 to 47. 58 comma $3 equals 47. I need to display the values of third field between 58 to 47. Here it displays raptors, 76s, celestar spaces because raptor is 58, 76s is 51, celestar is 49 and pacers is 48. It doesn't display the buggers because it's above 58, its value is 60. And awk has some special expressions like begin and end. Let's try to use them. Awk in single quotes, begin, semicolon, and here we need to program and again semicolon, end. Here we need to write some command, print start and close that. Here we need to print $2 second field, and in the end, after everything is printed, I need to print finish, and the file name is file.txt. Here you can see that first the start is printed and the value of second field is printed, and in the end finish is printed. Like equal and greater than symbol, we can also use and or operator. Let's use the previous commands. Instead of comma, type and operator. Here I am asking to print the values between 47 to 58. Here it printed 76 is cell takes spaces. 76 cell takes spaces. But it doesn't print the raptors because the value is 58. I am asking to print the values below 58. And arg has some built-in variables. Let's try to use them. Arg and in braces print file and file name contains an R in uppercase lines. Let's close that. And the file name is file.txt. Here it printed file.txt contains 5 lines. Here we are asking to print the number of lines in the file. Here you can see we have 5 fields. And instead of printing lines like this, we can also give line numbers for each line using arg command. Arg print f. Arg has some more commands to print the values, and we can also use programming to get the exact value that we need. In double quotes, %3d dot %s and /n for new line, close the double quotes, comma nr to display the line number, and the $0. The $0 denotes we need to print the complete line. Instead of printing only one field or two fields, we need to print every field in the line. Close that, and the file name is file.txt. Here you can see it printed line number for each line. And we can do some more calculations using arg command, like arg in braces sum plus equals $3. Here we are asking to add the values in third field. Close the braces and end print f $d/n. And we can write programs using this arg command to get some result. Here this is the program to print the square root of the numbers from 1 to 5. Here you can see the square root of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 5 is 25. And instead of writing the programs like this in single line, we can use the file to write programs and use the file with arg command to run. Let's write some code. Program.arg begin. Let's display that. Let's run this file. Arg. Here we need to use a flag -f and the file name is program.arg. Here you can see program is executed. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.